Okay, so another feature that we love for those of you who are wanting to add items that aren't necessarily in the database, we have the quick add feature. So because we're so diligent about building our database ourselves to make sure it's perfectly accurate, we don't let users generate content. So for you to add something in there that's not in there, you're going to have to go over to your planner and then click this little plus icon, and now you'll have the ability to custom add a food. So for example, say I want to eat salt and vinegar kettle potato chips, or say you're going out to dinner and you are wanting to eat something off like Chipotle's menu, and you know the information for that. This is where you'll add those things. So the title is just so you know what you're having, again, for pre-planning sake. And then you'll just look at the label. So say I'm gonna have one portion, so it's 140 calories, and then it is 15 grams of carbs. Protein will be 2, and then fat is going to be 9. And then all you'll do is hit enter. And what that'll do is it'll add it to your plan for the day. So hey, I'm having salt and vinegar kettle chips. You can also shop that as well. You can delete it. It'll factor it in. Obviously, I'm probably not gonna have it for breakfast, but would be delicious. And there you go. So again, if you're looking for things that aren't in the software, more than likely it's going to be like small items that are very specific health foods that the USDA database doesn't have yet, or restaurant menu items. This is a really simple way to add them in and make sure you can still pre-plan into your day, but enjoy all the foods that you could possibly want. So I hope this helps. And yeah, definitely go check it out.